Hi, this is Ida from XY Global, and today I will share a story about our customer, from the semiconductor industry. Last month the customer reached out to me. They will have repeated alignment issues during the assembly of the deposition module. Even very small dimensional deviations on the structure parts will causing a problem during system calibration. Our engineer team reviewed the drawings and the CAN data and the assembling surfaces, proposed a targeted solution. This includes fixture optimization and adjustments to the machining sequence. Based on our evaluations, the solution can achieve the flatness width and inner 0.01 mm plus and inner 0.015 mm, which meets the assembling and the calibration requirements. So if you have any question, you are watching the video, please feel free to contact me. This is Ida. Bye.